In this video, I'll show you how to create AI characters with Kling AI step by step. First, open Kling AI and sign in to your account. From the main dashboard, go to the video creation section and choose the workflow you want to use for creating your character. Start by deciding what your character should look like. Think about the character's age, clothing, hairstyle, facial features, body type, environment, and overall visual style. Now create a detailed prompt describing the character. For example, you can describe a young explorer wearing a dark jacket and backpack, standing in a misty mountain environment, with realistic facial details, natural lighting, and a cinematic appearance. Try to keep your character description clear and consistent. Avoid changing important details randomly between different prompts. If you already have a character image, you can also use the image-to-video workflow. Upload the image and describe the movement you want the character to perform. For example, you could write, the character slowly walks forward while looking around, natural body movement, clothing moving gently in the wind, and a smooth cinematic camera following from the side. After entering your prompt, review the available settings and generate the video. Once the video is ready, preview the character carefully. Check the face, clothing, body movement, hands, and overall appearance. If something looks incorrect, adjust the prompt and generate another version. When creating multiple clips with the same character, keep the important character details exactly or very similarly described. This can help maintain a more consistent appearance across your videos. You can create characters for storytelling videos, cinematic scenes, animations, YouTube shorts, social media content, and other creative projects. The key is to start with a strong character description, use clear movement instructions, and refine your prompts based on each result.